Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Starcraft. This is the Autumn Ridge Model 255 RLS. It's a rear living, front bedroom. You can see it's got the fiberglass cap in the front, corrugated aluminum on the sides. That aluminum will never delam, and this fiberglass cap is going to keep the front of this thing protected for years and years to come. Black diamond shield on the front for protection. Down the sides, two-tone with the tattoo style graphics. It is solar ready for the ZAMP solar panels. We do have also here magnetic fasteners. It stays on its own. We look inside. You can approach the storage area from the other side as well. You can see the door over there. Three-step entry. Here's the model 255 RLS, and of course Starcraft, established in 1903. We have another little compartment here in the rear. It's pretty good storage in there. We have a rear bumper with a receiver hitch, so you can put the bicycle rack on this unit. We walk around the other side. Here's our slide out and the graphic Autumn Ridge. Let's take a look at the interior. Rear living is going to give us a lot of seating, so if you do want to entertain some folks, or if there's multiple occupants, that makes this trailer really nice. It's just a nice floor plan for that. So you got the sofa bed in the back, dinette booth in the slide out, glass panel cabinets, wood trim, matching window treatments throughout. This does make into a bed, by the way, for guest sleeping. Dual basin sink. Look at the counter space. I mean, unreal. When do you see that in a unit this size? A roughly under 7,000 pound trailer. Let's take a look here. 6970 is the weight rating. In storage, they do an excellent job of storage on the Starcraft. We've got Dometic refrigerator, freezer, 3-burner stove with oven underneath and a microwave over the top, all pantry, and storage above. So extended stay vacations, not a problem. There is a central entertainment area up front here, so we can put our TV right here against the wall. It's got the Furin AM FM. I guess that's a DVD player as well, and I'm gonna probably say Bluetooth as well. Glass panel cabinets here. There's storage above. Another appliance could go here. We got a plug in here. Coat rack right when you walk in, and a seat right here to put your shoes on and off. More storage behind the entertainment center. I don't see many people doing that. We come up front. Voila! Did you say storage? Look at this. Mirrored closet doors, drawers. Plenty of clothing for your vacation stay. Queen size bed, walk around on both sides, has nightstands as well as plug-ins, drawers, and overhead storage. And if you want a TV, no problem. The spot right there on the wall to hook it up. Bathroom, little doohickey on the door here matches up with the one on the wall, so you can expand the bedroom, divide it from the living room, or just use the bathroom door traditionally. Foot flush toilet. Big shower stall with a skylight over the top, sink, and vanity mirror medicine cabinet, as well as a power exhaust fan over the roof. Lightweight, easy to tow, lots of room. The Starcraft Autumn Ridge 255 RLX rather. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.